like to be the first to welcome you to Chicago, where the local time is 6:43 p.m. We hope you enjoy your time here in Chicago or wherever your travels take you. And if this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 9. Again, for checked luggage, you would get it from baggage carousel number 9. Your feedback is really important to us, and some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience either in email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. From all of us at United and our Star Alliance partners, we've enjoyed having you as our guest today in the friendly skies, and we look forward to seeing you again soon on another United flight. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door areas to allow your